Hi Achu, we wish you a very happy 40th birthday. You enjoy it like a
wish you
queen.
many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Auntie.
Hi Archana, have a wonderful birthday. Have fun. I will talk to you soon. Okay.
Yeah, happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Archu.
Archu who?
Archu. Woo! Have a beautiful birthday.
Hi Archu. Happy birthday. Happy 40th. Have a great day.
Hey Archu, many happy returns of the day. Don't grow up and continue to be silly.
Happy birthday, Archu.
Happy birthday.
Happy 40th.
Happy 40th. Welcome to the 40th club. Another class now.
I'm going to keep reminding you now.
Happy birthday, yeah. Wonderful memories with you. Wishing you many more happy years. And really looking forward, now that you have moved close to us, it's even more fun hanging out with all of you and the kids hanging out. And it's just so much fun having you as neighbors and as cousins.
I know we've already started with a lot of activities and we're going to do a lot more. And you're already doing it. So once again, happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Happy 40th birthday to Mommy. We like how you moved here to Cary. So we gotta come to your house every day or every week. I enjoy playing board games with you. And I like that you picked me up and got her and the cabin trip and came to the cabin trip with us. I enjoyed the ski lift going in the ski lift with you. We love you. Bye. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day Archu. Welcome to the club of 40s. और देख तेरे लिए स्पेशली हम लोग ने एक वादियाँ इतनी अच्छी जगह ढूंढी है to wish you. So many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Archana. 40s club, welcome to that. But I'm still not, so point and laugh.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Archu. God bless you. Have fun. Have a great day.
An amazing year ahead. Let's meet soon. Loads of love.
Bye.
Hello, Auntie.
Hi Archu.
Happy birthday. We have two morning jokes for you. Here's the first one. Where do sheep go on vacation? The Bahamas.
The Bahamas, Archu. Hi Archu.
Hi, Archu, Nanny.
Hi Archu auntie.
Hi, Archu, Auntie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I have one more mini joke.
Rishu has a Moni joke for you. What's that, Rish?
What time do you go to the dentist? 2:30. Get it? 2:30.
2:30. Get it, Archu? 2:30. So we have a lot of jokes, Moni jokes floating around in the house, Archu. See you soon and wish you a very happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archu. Happy birthday to you.
Hope you have a fun birthday, Archu.
We are remembering you, Archu. Have fun.
Have a nice birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, Achu. Hope Paddy is making sure that you are having blast today. Enjoy your day and just remember one thing. Abhi to party shuru hui hai. We haven't met yet, but I hope it changes soon. And my next year resolution is to meet you guys.
Her resolution, not mine. Hey Archu, here's wishing you a very warm and bright 40th birthday. Warm and bright तो होगा ही ना, इतने सारे candles जो है केक पर. So one of the things, many things Paddy is good at is keeping scores. And I'm sure he must have reminded you many times. Hey Archu, you're 40. Hey Archu, you're just 10 to go for 50. Hey Archu, T20 World Cup is going on. Oh, 20, that's half your age. Hey Archu, you're no longer 24, etc. So I won't remind you again. But here's hoping you have a great day. Bye.
Happy birthday once again, and lots of love to Sandhya Kutti. Bye.
A for Archana, B for beautiful, C for conservative. Sorry, Chennai. The great city of Chennai and your hometown and your most beloved and loved city wishes you, Archana, a fabulous, fabulous and amazing birthday. Hope you're having a great time. Can't wait to see you back in the city. And send us pictures of your celebrations. And sorry, I've just woken up. I'm looking a little groggy. But hope to catch you all soon. Take care. Bye.
Hi Archu auntie, happy birthday. I hope we get to meet sometime soon and bond. It's been a while since I met you and I really bonded when you guys came. So I hope you come see my new house, meet my doggo, and I get to meet your baby too. She's growing bigger and I've not met her even once. It's just sad. Yeah, take care. Happy birthday again. Bye. Loads of love.
Hello Archu. Happy birthday, my dear best friend. Welcome to the 40s Club. Can't wait to celebrate with you in a few weeks. And time to turn over into a new chapter and see what life brings. Good luck for that, and hope you enjoy the ride. Love you. Bye. See you soon.
Hi Archu, happy birthday to you. I'm so excited for you today, and I know you're having a lovely time watching all of these lovely videos that everyone has made for you from across the world. Just letting you know how much you mean to us and how much we love you. It's an incredible milestone to be 40 in the midst of your parents and in the midst of all your loved ones. So I'm really happy for you. I want to tell you that you mean a lot to me. You know that. And our bond has developed really in the past couple of years after I moved to the US. But you have taught me so much and have really helped me develop into the person I am today in a variety of ways. I want to tell you especially that you are a super mom. You are an incredible wife, and you're a lovely daughter and one of the best sisters that I could get. So God bless you, and take care of yourself. You are the one who taught me about self-care amidst all the madness, going for a swim, going for a walk, doing anything that we like away for a few minutes. So that's what I want to wish you. I want to wish you good times for yourself, and I really hope we get to meet soon again. I love you. Big hug.
A 1, a 2, a 3.
अर्चू अंग्रेजी में कहते
Happy birthday Archu.
गुजराती माँ बोले
तमे प्रेम करू छू.
छू छू
Archu mommy, have a wonderful 40th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. Bye, Jule. Hi.
Hi, Archu.
I love you very much, so much. Happy birthday. Good day today.
Hey Archu, wish you many, many happy returns of the day and a
Do
happy,
you
happy
like
40th.
puppies?
Welcome to the club. I can't wait to celebrate on our trip to New York.
Yeah, looking forward to meeting you and Patty again in person and celebrating together.
Wait, we're going to New York
Have a fun day.
Hi Archu.
Hi Archu.
Welcome to the 40th Club. Doing this video, it gave us a chance to take a look at all the memories that we've had together. Starting from the first time I saw you in some weird restaurant in Pennsylvania to our trip to Vegas, and then n number of parties we've had in your Owingsville house and then the Columbia house. You guys were truly like the bonding factor, for the group. Every weekend you'd come up with like, what are we doing this week? And, you guys brought all of us together, and we've had like amazing parties and memories to remember for a lifetime. So hoping it continues, and, welcome to the 40th Club. Happy birthday.
Archu, I can't beat this, so I'll just say happy birthday. Here's to more memories like those. Have a good day. See ya. Bye.
Bye.
Hello Archana, wish you a many, many happy returns of the day. Have a great year ahead.
Hi Archana, very happy birthday. So you're finally there. We're all getting there, big 40. And when I'm wishing you, I'm just remembering the day at Lalubhai Park when we had one of our heart-to-heart conversations, and all that you said you wanted out of life, I think you pretty much knocked it off by 40. So congrats on that. And I think in our friend circle, you were always the glue, as all the magnet, because you held us together, all different people, whether introducing me to the Awesome Foursome group or to your US group as well. So you've always been the glue, and you always got people together. Even like, I still remember Ashi's birthday party, although she herself missed the birthday party, but he still got the rest of us together. So we have some great memories with you sitting up on the terrace on your building, your Santa Cruz House Wala terrace, and watching all the planes go by and conversing with all of us together. So I just hope you have a wonderful, wonderful, happy birthday with all your friends and family, and we hope we'll see you soon in India this year to celebrate the 40th birthday दूसरे बार and New Year's.
Happy birthday, Archana. Have a wonderful time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy 40th birthday. Have fun. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. God bless you, my dear Archana.
Happy birthday, Archana.
Happy birthday to you. See? Happy birthday to you. See? Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. Now you say, Arjun. Hello, Archana.
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I heard that 40 is the new naughty. So you do it, and then very soon I'm going to follow through. So have a really great time. Enjoy your year, and waiting to actually for you to come to Pune and we do all our Pune masti. All the best. Take care and have an awesome birthday. Bye.
All the best.
A very happy birthday, Archu.
Here's wishing you lots of joy, happiness, success and adventures for the next year and the coming years as well.
Well, possibly 40s are the new 30s. So here's wishing you another decade of some amazing experiences, adventures and great health about all of that. So a very happy birthday again from the both of us, and to many more Radha Krishna breakfasts. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you.
Ta-da! Happy birthday, Archana. Have a great one. Ciao.
Ciao. Have a great day.
Hi Archana, wish you a very very happy 40th birthday. Have a blast, and now that Appa Amma are here, both Appas and Ammas, you're going to have a very very special birthday, and we are both very happy that Pradeep and you work so much together and complement each other. It's great that you will be interacting with Babbu also being so near. And it is really great that Aju and Hari have also been able to come here, and it's going to be a special birthday for you and for Amma also, Aju. Take care and God bless.
Hey, hello Archana. Wishing you a very very happy 40th birthday. 40th birthday is very very special, particularly in USA. From Buffalo to Baltimore, Washington to Gettysburg to Raleigh. It has been a remarkable journey for you guys, particularly for you. And It's really I have known you now for nearly 15 years. You are such a cool, calm, and level-headed person, and you've always been and keep your sparkling smile all the time. And as Lalita Mami said, you and Pradeep are made for each other, I would say, and you complement each other so beautifully, be it in household work or looking after your adorable Sandhya, or arranging for picnic, or taking for the lords, and for everything you complement. That's how it should be. And keep the balance between the household work and office work well within your control, which you, of course, you are always been doing. And keep your left-handed forehand down the line smash going all the time. I will come and just play and beat you, and looking forward to meeting you all, guys. Wishing you once again have a great day on that day, and have a great birthday and many more years of happiness, health, and wealth. All the best. Bye.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Archana.
Hi Archu, wish you a very happy 40th birthday.
Have a great 40th. And Paddy, she's not going to change. So don't think 40 is a big number. Things are always going to remain the same.
Hey, talking of numbers, being the oldest cousin now, I'm on that side of 40. So this side of 40 is a lot of fun, and age is just a number.
Enjoy it while it lasts. Stay healthy, stay blessed. All the best to you.
We want to see you soon, and I hope we create a lot of memories, and this COVID and the whole pandemic is behind us.
Soon enough, we'll catch up. Have a great birthday and a great year ahead. All the best to you. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, Archana. Presenting to you on your 40th birthday, the Basilica di Harmonica.
Hi Archana, wish you a very happy 40th birthday. I can't imagine how time flies. Everybody would still call you Archu Kutti. The Kutti has become all 40. So have a great 40th, and hope you enjoy your day, the year ahead, and as they say cliched, life begins at 40. Don't be naughty. See you. Bye.
Hi Archu. Wish you a very happy birthday from Ruhi, Vikram and Purvi. Ruhi, do you want to sing a song? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archana. Happy birthday to you. Ruhi, your favorite song, Ruhi? Happy birthday again. Bye. Love you.
Hey Archana, here's wishing you a very happy birthday, 40th birthday, super big milestone. You are my closest friend, and I hope you have a great day today and a super awesome, wonderful year ahead. Sending you lots of wishes. I wish I could be there with you. Lots of love from all of us here at Boston. Bye.
Happy birthday, dear Dada.
And happy birthday, Archu Mami.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Hi Archu, wishing you a very happy birthday from all of us. Sorry we're not there in person to celebrate this milestone birthday with you, but hope our wishes make it there. And congratulations and cheers again to 4 decades of sheer awesomeness. See you soon.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये हमारे है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Archu, happy birthday to you. 40 साल पहले हमें तुमसे प्यार था, हमें तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। 40 साल पहले हमें तुमसे प्यार था, हमें तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। तुम रूठो ना खरो, मेरी जान निकल जा रही है। तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है। तुम रूठा ना करो, मेरी जान निकल जाती है। तुम हंसती रहती हो तो एक बिजली सी चमक जाती है। 40 साल पहले हमें तुमसे प्यार था, हमें तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा। तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दू। तेरी प्यारी प्यारी सूरत को किसी की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दू। देखा न करो तुम आईना, कहीं खुद की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दू। देखा न करो तुम आईना, कहीं खुद की नजर ना लगे, चश्मे बद्दू। तुमको देखा तो एक ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया। तुमको देखा तो एक ख्याल आया, दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, तू हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा। दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, तू हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा। तू नहीं तो ये बहार क्या बहार है, गुल नहीं खिले के तेरा इंतजार है। तू नहीं तो ये बहार क्या बहार है, गुल नहीं खिले के तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है, कि तेरा इंतजार है। दिल तड़प तड़प के कह रहा है आ भी जा, तू हमसे आंख ना चुरा, तुझे कसम है आ भी जा। കാലങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ വസന്തം, കലകളിലെ അവൾ ഓവിയം, മാദങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ മാർഗഴി, മലർകളിലെ അവൾ മല്ലികை. കാലങ്ങളിൽ അവൾ വസന്തം, பறவைகளில் அவள் மணிப்புறா, பாடல்களில் அவள் தாலாட்டு, கனிகளிலே அவள் மாங்கனி, காற்றினிலே அவள் தென்றல். காலங்களில் அவள் வசந்தம், उठे सबके कदम बोलो रम पम पम, अजी ऐसे गीत गाया करो। उठे सबके कदम बोलो रम पम पम, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर अर्चू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू डियर अर्चू। मे गॉड ब्लेस यू, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू with joy and happiness too. May God bless you, may God bless you with joy and happiness too.
Happy birthday, Archu. I can't believe you're 40 already. This is Sunita from New York.
And Rowan, wishing you a happy birthday. Archana Chitti. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archu. Happy birthday to you. Have a lovely, lovely birthday. Lots of love from Rekha
And Gayatri.
and Luke.